class 12, subject accountancy, and the chapter name Accounting for Partnership Firm. Partnership is an important topic for plus 2 students because they have to cover a whole book on the topic. Today we are going to start second chapter that is base for all the chapters, but this chapter is too vast, so we can divide the chapter in various parts. First part is introduction of partnership. The second part is calculation of interest on drawing. The third part is interest on capital. The fourth part is capital account and their types. Fifth part is adjustment. Sixth part is guarantee of profit. One by one we will discuss all the topics but through different videos. Our first topic is introduction. In plus 1 we have studied all accounting terms for sole proprietorship, means the business is owned, managed and controlled by the sole proprietor. But in plus 2, for the expansion of the business we need to arrange more capital, and partnership is a good source for arranging more capital. It also reduces the risk. Let's take an example. If a owner bear the loss of rupees 50,000 in case of sole proprietorship, the whole are borne by the sole proprietor. But in case of partnership, the loss is distributed among the various partners. It means it reduces the risk. In partnership, we follow provision of Partnership Act 1932. Meaning of partnership. When two or more persons joins hands to set a business and share its profit, then it is called partnership. Means the partner must enter into an agreement for carrying a lawful business run with the motive of profit. If two people join together for charitable purpose, it is not partnership. And even two people joining together for an unlawful activities such as robbery, stealing, gambling, etc. is also not partnership. There are some important nature of partnership. Two or more person. For partnership, it is essential for two or more person. For partnership, minimum 2 persons are required and maximum 50 persons are required. Second, agreement between them. For partnership, there must be an agreement, and that agreement is called partnership deed. Later on, we discuss on that topic in detail. Need of a business. For partnership, there is need of a business. Without business, the partnership is not conducted. Sharing profit. For partnership, there is profit distribution ratio is essential. It means all the partners divide their profit in their profit sharing ratio. Liability of a partner. The liability of all the member of a partnership firm is unlimited. The partners are individually and collectively liable to pay back the debts of the firm. At the time of loss, if the firm's assets are not sufficient to pay back the debt, then the creditor can have claim over the personal property of the partners also. The last point, mutual agency. It is very important point. In mutual agency, every partner is the owner as well as agent of the firm. The acts of one partner are binding on the other partner. Each partner is entitled to take part in the management and enter into contact with outsider. Partnership business can be carried on by all the partners or by any of them acting on the behalf of the others. Partnership deed. Partnership deed is an important point. It is an one type of agreement because any partnership is not started without partnership deed. But making the partnership deed is not compulsory. It is optional. Partnership deed can be in the form of written or verbal, but written partnership is better than the oral partnership. And we are considered only written agreement as a deed. This includes name and address of the business, name and address of the partners, objectives of the business, nature of the business, ratio of the profit and loss, interest on loan, and many more, etc. Following condition applied if partnership deed is absent. It means when the partners are not involved in any contact, that time the following conditions are applied. Interest on capital is not allowed to any partner. Interest on drawing is not charged from any partner. Profit should be distributed equally among the all partners. Salary is not allowed to any partner. Bonus and commission is not allowed to any partner. Mean interest on capital, salary, bonus, and commission is not given to any partner in the absence of partnership deed, and profit should be distributed equally in that case. And if any partner withdrawing money from the business, that he is not liable to pay any charge on that money.